2005 BMW 3.0 liter Z4. Nice thing about BMWs, these Z4s is true duals all the way back. As you guys can see, right there, there's a resonator right there. The cats are up on the manifold. Then a second baby resonator there. Then it continues true dual, and we add in 2-inch pipe. Then we added 2 1/4 pipe there and ran a set of Natami quad tips. Look at Natami out the back. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear. And there's the stock muffler that was on it that we took off right there. Stay tuned. 2005 Z4 muffler delete with dual tips right there. Natami. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. Right at 97. That's perfect. Yeah, that sounds clean. What do you think, man? Do you approve? He approves. Z4. Clean looking, clean car. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.